another small example. This is a small diesel engine with the transmission. What type of propulsion is this? Direct, V?
Direct.
Direct. The front of the engine, the transmission, the coupling, the shaft, and the propeller. No? Direct. Direct. Look at this. I'm going to remove the transmission. The input shaft of the transmission engage in the flywheel. The flywheel have a special adapter here, and that element enter here. You see?
Is it like a damper?
It's a damper plate. Perfect. It's a damper plate. All right. To absorb momentum. Okay, good. This is the transmission. This is the input shaft of the transmission. Is always engaged with the engine. Later we are going to talk about that. And this is direct drive system. Can I use this engine for that unit?
Yeah.
Yes, originally this engine is of that unit. Yeah, look at this. The input shaft of that transmission enter here. Enter here. Enter here. You see the splines enter over there. And yes, my friend, I can use the same engine for a straight transmission, for a V-drive, for, what is the name of that one? What is the name of that configuration? That configuration? Where, in what type of boat I have that unit?
Outboard.
No. This is a catamaran with two sail drive units.
Sail drive.
Sail drive. This is, in the catamaran, I have two of them, one in each pontoon. No? This is a catamaran sail drive unit. The engine is here, the transmission is here, and the lower unit is here. That's okay?